Kiumia kihituku riria ngwataniro ya Kenya Kwanza yaruguririe manifesto yayo, munini wa President William Ruto ateterithirie muthingi wa kioneki giki ta kiambiriria gia kihuhukanio gia gucokeria Kenya utonga. Thutha ucio manifesto eno ni itungitio mbukirira ikirikana icunji nyingi itegeturitwo kuma kuri manifesto ya Jubilee ya mwaka wa 2017 ang'ethaniri yake ngwataniro ya Azimio makiuga ndiri na muthingi wa uma.
He should tell us, how can you take resources to the people? What mechanism, what structures?
Ruto, don't preach empty. What are you going to use to get development to the grassroots?
Nikumana na gukirirwo guku andiki ya kioneki giki matongoretio ni mutabania munene wa manifesto eno David D meyumiritie gutetera uria Kenya Kwanza ikuhukia ungumania honge-ini cia thirikari.
Whoever gets into government will have to hit the ground running and turn around this economy in stabilize the situation in less than a year, and then turn it around in less than 3 years. Otherwise, the things which are happening, we are seeing happening in Sri Lanka and other places, will happen here.
Wigiriki thirikari-ini ukoretwo giukirirwo na njira nene riu ciuria cia gukinyaniria mitaratara ya gutigirira mbeca cia muingi itinagwo moko-ini ma turia nime ikiguciriria ciuria cia itemi ria thirikari. Kenya Kwanza ikiuga ungumania urahuranwo naguo kiuteti.
Huyu kiongozi wa Kenya Kwisha Bwana Ruto mwenyewe ndiye alikuwa waziri wa kilimo, yeye ndiye alikuwa in charge. Yeye mwenyewe alienda akauza hiyo mahindi kupitia kwa marafiki yake, ndio wao wakaenda kuuzia ile makampuni ya kusaga unga. Bei ya unga ilipanda juu zaidi.
Capture inquiry is saying that our state has been privatized. So you are not going to do this if the people who have privatized the state are still in the state. Why are we seeing the tax authority being weaponized to hit some businesses, either for political reasons or for because they are business rivals? I know, for example, that there are some people, influential people, who have been wanting to put up a brewery in Naivasha.
Na ireta njira ya gutigirira honge ona andu aria mararutithania biacara na thirikari ni magerekwo kabiru na macabithio nenda-ini cia thirikari. Kanju ino igite na ihinda iritu ria gutariria uria kanju ya mwanya ya kurutithania wira na ruhonge rwa magoti ikurutithania wira kugitira waragania, gatiba na wiyathi itekwagararwo.
Ngwe mtu amekuwa huko amepewa kazi, badala ya kazi ni mdomo. Alafu sasa mimi tutafanya na kwa nini hukufanya wakati ulikuwa huko nini wewe?
Uhuru Kenyatta ako na shida gani na mimi? Anakasirika ati nimelonja ati manifesto. Sasa manifesto si ni agenda ya kupeleka Kenya mbele.
Greatest challenges this country faces, if not the greatest, is personalizing this whole thing of corruption and running away from the importance of an institutionalized architecture to lead the assault on corruption.
Hari mothe macabithie na mauge kiuria kiria Kenya mareyuria ni kana hari cioneki ici ciraniro ici ni igakinyanira kiugo gwa kiugo. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Mwaura wa Ndung'u.